models deal with this on a day-to-day basis. Like certain measurements, certain body types is sought after. They will be the poster boy or the poster girl on these campaigns. And I'm not saying chosen as in the sense of, you know, you have some special spiritual gifts or you have this going on, this guy. No, I'm saying that people are literally having a conversation about you and they're choosing you. You don't have an option. Once you start multiplying, once you start understanding what your gifts are, once you understand what your talents are, you're going to understand that you don't have a choice of basically of who you're attracted to or who you're not attracted to. Generally speaking, both of them are going to be attracted to you and they're going to find a way to be in your area. They're going to find a way to be closer to you. Women are going to find a way to be closer. They know. Women are speaking. They know information. They know things about you. They know these things. And it's more comfortable when you don't have to chase. It's more comfortable when somebody knows what your program is, how many kids you got, this, that, but regardless, they want to be around you. You know what I mean? And it's just like, that's what happens when you have leverage, influence, impact, and body game. You know what I'm saying? Because it's going to be silent. You don't have to speak on what you have going on. And then a lot of times you're going to be rare. You're going to be a source of attention because someone knows if they don't jump on the opportunity to be with you, someone else is going to do it. And that's the most beautiful thing you can do in your life. When someone knows that it's a time limit on being with you, or they can't do certain things around you, or you're going to cut off the relationship, whatever like that, people respect things more. They respect time more when they understand that at the drop of a hat, you can end this relationship and start another one. When they understand that if things don't go well of how they imagine it, they can stop it right there. No one is obligated to continuously be in a relationship. So it's like, well, I think when women know that, when people know that your time and your attention can be invested somewhere else, it's more valuable. So when you say things, you're getting cooperation, you're getting action done, you're getting, you know what I'm saying, you're getting those things because they understand that it's somebody who's doing it behind the scenes. Like mentally, it's probably somebody doing it behind the scenes they don't know about, somebody that wants to do it or somebody that's going to do it. And that's a beautiful thing for a man, because guess what? You don't have to convince. You don't have to convince somebody to do something they don't want to do. You don't have to pitch, or you don't have to sell yourself. A person knows what it is, and they're going to make a decision if they want to do it or not. And nine times out of 10, they're going to do it because they want to be with you. They understand the power that you have. And that's what I want people to understand is that is a silent communication. It's a non-verbal cue. Non-verbal cues happen with people who work in the gym and who are working on their bodies, because you can physically see definition. You can physically see muscle insertions. And when that happens, you're communicating without using your voice. You're communicating without you having to pitch, have to say anything, have to say these pickup lines, do this. People can see it. And sometimes it can be envy. Some people can feel a way that you are that way, but regardless, that doesn't change the way that you are. And that is powerful. Like, especially you're taking, and you have to think about it. You take the attractiveness, you take your looks, whatever, you take your body everywhere you go. You know what I'm saying? But this is something that is sought after. Certain measurements are sought after. Models deal with this on a day-to-day basis. Like certain measurements, certain body types is sought after. They will be the poster boy or the poster girl on these campaigns because they understand how powerful having certain measurements are. And I need you guys to understand that happens in fitness also. These models are working out. These models are also working out from a standpoint of they need to maintain the figure that they have, or they need to fill out to give that certain look. You know what I'm saying? That certain presence, that certain dominance, that certain aura. So that's what I'm telling you guys, is that's nonverbal. Because a lot of times people who go in modeling or who go into these different types of acting or whatever like that, they're looking for the it guy, the it girl. You know what I'm saying? So it's just like, when you have it, you have control over situations and people and relationships, because you're not like the norm. You're not like the average. And that's what screams on these campaigns and these billboards, is that you need this product. Because look, the person who is not normal, the person who is gifted, is using this product and they're promoting it. So this is all nonverbal. This is all nonverbal. This happens in like this happens in dating, this happens in clothing, this happens in, it's marketing. So it's just like, I need you to understand that that same thing happens when in body game, when you're working on your body, you're working on yourself, and you're attracting more women because you are the body type that they're looking for. Because think about it, a person can have the personality, they can have the looks, they can have a job, they can have the money, but a lot of times, if they don't have that body, you know what I'm saying, you're not gonna go to the bedroom. You know what I'm saying? You're not. Like, it sucks, but it's just like, you know, it's a different underworld when it comes to the body, because it's like, you're born with the body, right? But you can work on the body, you can cultivate it, but it's limits to it. You know what I'm saying? There's limits to what your muscles can do, but you need to find out what those limits are, because you may have less limitations to other people. So it's why not work on that? And that's nonverbal. You're communicating nonverbal with people, and that's what I'm saying. People will get in your proximity just to be closer to the light, closer to that source of energy. And that's what I'm saying. That's what body does, and that's why I promote body game, because a lot of the things, or a lot of opportunities that are being presented my way, I'm not asking for it, but it's communicating non-verbally to people, to where it's like they're wondering if I'll be interested in doing this. They're wondering if I could do this. And it's just that this is a non-verbal communication that I didn't ask for, but I understand that comes with it, of being in certain measurements. And that's why I want you guys to understand, it's like, it's math. A lot of things are like mathematical, Fibonacci, all those things, but understand that as a man, as a woman, you need to communicate non-verbally that you have these certain measurements that are sought after, and you're not afraid to use it, and you got it. It's in you. You know what I'm saying? You know how to maintain it. This isn't your first rodeo, and you know the body's gonna be here. You know what I'm saying? You're gonna maintain it. You have the discipline. And that's what I'm saying. You got to be able to multiply what you have. You need to be able to use what you have to your advantage, and don't be afraid to use what you have in life, because you were given that for a reason. So there's no point of being shy about it. There's no point of being like nervous. This is your life, and no one's gonna make your life easier for you more than you. You know what I'm saying? Nobody's gonna put it into work more than you. So you might as well put it into body, so that way you can communicate non-verbally, so you don't have to say something stupid. You don't have to look up pickup lines. You don't have to chat GPT conversation. You don't have to have your friends reading text messages to see what they would say. It's just like, no. Work on yourself, do the inner work, see how far it gets you. If it doesn't get you far, continue working, keep doing more. You know what I'm saying? So it's like, be as well-rounded as you can, but don't let your body fall under attack. Just work on it. You know what I'm saying? Just work on your fitness. What's the worst that can happen? You get more attention, you get more opportunities. Come on. Like, what are we doing? Like, don't waste time. And especially if you're in your 20s, you're younger. This is the perfect time to be using that to your advantage, because most people don't have that level of discipline. You need to learn those characteristics now. You need to have that discipline ingrained in you now. And you need to have that focus also. So it's like, just get into it. Do it. You can. But yeah, that's the end of the video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you guys in my next video. I'm out.